Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Honda Jazz paddle shifters. To begin, paddle shifters offer you manual control over your automatic transmission. Simply pull either the left or right paddle shifter to engage the manual shift mode. You will notice the gear indicator on your dashboard change from D to M along with the current gear number, typically starting in first gear. This gives you immediate command over your vehicle's gear selection. When you want to accelerate or increase your speed, use the right paddle shifter, which has a plus sign. Each pull will shift you up one gear. It is important to upshift before your engine reaches its red line to protect it from damage. For better fuel economy, consider upshifting when your engine RPMs are between 2,000 and 3,000, allowing for smoother and more efficient cruising. For slowing down or gaining more power, use the left paddle shifter, marked with a minus sign. Downshifting is excellent for engine braking, which helps control your speed on steep downhill grades and reduces wear on your conventional brakes. Additionally, selecting a lower gear provides increased torque, which is beneficial for climbing hills or executing quick, confident overtakes on the highway. For the best experience, shift one gear at a time, allowing for smooth and controlled transitions. If the gear indicator blinks, it means your vehicle speed is not suitable for that gear, so adjust accordingly. Remember, in many driving situations, especially when you maintain a constant speed or come to a complete stop, the system may automatically revert to normal drive mode, offering convenience and flexibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.